The intention behind this short presentation is to provide you with a brief overview of Broker Back Office. There are 8 modules in this system, each module containing a more detailed instructional video, which you will be able to find on the left-hand side, here. If you have any further problems, we also have online chat help on the bottom right-hand side, here. If you can't see live chat, click on the support button on the bottom left-hand side, here, which should launch it automatically.
Before you start, you must ensure that your settings are correct. Click on Settings and then My Profile. This should automatically bring you to the Introduction section, highlighted in the green bar on the left-hand side. It is essential that the information on this page is correct. The most important section is Time Zone, here. If Time Zone does not set correctly, your calendar won't work properly. Remember, if your time zone changes, it is important that you adjust the settings accordingly. Once all the time zone details are correct, click Save on the right-hand side, here. Once you have entered all your details in the Introduction section, you can fill in your contact information in Contact Details, here. Make sure your contact details are correct, especially business email. This is important because this is the address we will use to communicate if you have any problems. You can then adjust your password in System Settings, here. Remember to save with the green button on the right-hand side, here. Go back to Settings and click on My Banks. This will take you automatically to Bank Accounts, highlighted in the green bar on the left-hand side, here. A list of the existing banks are presented at the top of the page. Preferred Bank is the bank you would normally want to be paid to. Below Bank Accounts, you will find a button labelled Add Account, here. Click on this bar. On this page, you can fill in a form to add a bank account to your profile. Ensure that you fill in all the required fields, and upon completion of this form, select Add Bank Account, here. The bank name should then appear on the list of existing banks. As previously mentioned, the system is split into 8 different modules. The Tasks area is where you keep all your appointments. The News area is where you see all your industry and company-related news. The Stationery area is where you keep all your files and folders for products and application forms. The Clients area is where you can access client files. You can find clients by using Alphabet and search facilities, and open files by clicking on a client's name. The Investments area is where you can see all the cases that you have pending or pipeline at the moment. You can access these files by clicking on the reference number for each case. The Accounts area is where you can see all your commission statements. If you want to see how much you're owed in a particular currency, just click on the amount and that will open the account. The Reports area is where you can run reports on your clients, while the Correspondence area is where you can send out newsletters to clients. Remember, this is just an overview. If you want more specific instructions, you can click on the Help option for each module. There is also an app, and if you click on the link on the left-hand side, here, you will receive the full instructions on downloading the app. It is only available at the moment for Apple devices. Thank you for using Broker Back Office. Enjoy your experience with it, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us in the chat box during normal UK office hours.